Welcome back with a new drawing. You can see the drawing on the picture. There's a simple drawing. The length is 120, the width is 45, the height is 45, and there is a V slot available on the top side at the 90 degree. The width is like 60. So we can start the drawing. First of all, choose a sketch plane. Okay, we can going with the line command. Choose the line command. Length is 120 mm. The height is 20 mm. Again going with the line command. This distance is 30 because 120 minus 60, so both side 30 mm. So again the 30 mm length, and angle is 80 because 180 because there is a minus side. Now again the line command, and the distance is 25. There's the remaining because total is 45 minus 20, so there is a 25 length. And there's a another line. There's a 5 mm. You can see nearby the V slot. Now we are going to mirror the sketch. So first of all, sketch the line or the center line, and now we are going to choose the mirror curve. Select the line, select the center line. You can see the result. Now we are going to make a V slot. So create the center line and simply select the line, and we connected two lines. You can see on the 45 degree. Now again we are going to choose mirror curve, select the line and select the center line. You can see the V slot is ready, and now trim command to cut unwanted line. You can see our sketch is ready for extrude. Now you can see the width is 45. So now choose extrude command. The width is 45 and apply. You can see the extrude command is ready, and the job are also ready, and hide the unwanted line. You can see our 3D modeling object is ready. Thank you for watching. Share, subscribe and like the video.